Plates clinking, laughed aloud. Uncle talking portfolios like he cracked the code somehow. Student loans climbing like unread mail, and I'm smiling out and thinking, can compound interest spread at the gym by a towel? We learn a table, memorize the cells, mitochondria powerhouses. Yeah, we know that well, but nobody taught us how a paycheck breathes or how a number called a credit score remembers everything. We diagram sentences past the test, but money's got a biology they never addressed. And if you don't learn how it moves and feeds, it won't fail you fast, it'll eat you slowly. So if you feel behind, take a breath right now. You're not broken, you're not dumb, you were just left out. Money's not magic, it's mechanics. Pull the levers, you can manage. It's either building you up or it's breaking your habits. Money's not magic, it's mechanics. Learn the rules, lose the panic. Once you see how it works, you stop surviving, you start planning, yeah. Worked all month, overtime pain, gross pay hits, then it drains. Federal, state, Medicare feels like robbery till you zoom out, stare. Roads you drive, water you drink, taco truck safety, yeah, that's the link. Taxes ain't theft, they're the cost of the grid. Ignore them long enough, they'll remind you they exist. Deposit money, picture of all. Truth is your cash already left the lot. Banks don't store it, they spin it fast. You're the supplier, just know the math. It works till trust disappears. Multiplies what you touch. On debt it hunts you down. On assets it builds you up. Inflation squeals quiet at night. Cash gets weaker, prices fight. Recessions come, recessions go. Plant the tree even when it's snowing slow. Credit score's not rich or poor, it's trust with a number on a sliding door. Pay on time, don't flex too hard, the 3-digit code is your wild card. Use it right, doors swing wide, apartments rates a smoother ride. Play the game with patience, intent, and money starts working while you sleep instead. Money's not magic, it's mechanics. Clarity beats advantage. You don't need genius brains, just consistency, courage, and balance. Money's not magic, it's mechanics. Now you see through the static. You're not late, you're not lost, you're just finally learning the language. So next time dinner turns into finance talk, you won't just nod, you'll walk the walk. If this made money finally click for you, hit like, subscribe. This is chapter 1, not 2. You got this, and yeah, I've got your back too. Drum, indie pop with melodic hip-hop influence. Tempo, metered, mood clever, the way to born bird. Vote clean now, volatile and confident, not real bad at instruments, piano, soft skirts, more bass, louder drums. Smart beats, don't temper about finance, will hit a receipt. Conversational tone like joy, emotional but grounded. Simple language, no finance, jargon, overload. Intra-language, no finance, jargon, overload. Intra-language, no finance, jargon. quick vibes make it feel honest, modern and human.